Yeah. You best get ready. We're gonna clean this country up, one house at a time.
F to the R to the ESH. Fresh. F to the R to the ESH. Fresh.
Take a look at my crib. It's so fresh and pretty. I got the cleanest place in the whole city. My floors are so shiny, my cupboard's a dream. My house looks like an issue of I'm Living magazine. I know you can't help but ask yourself why. How did she get a crib that's so fly? The answer is simple, it's easy to see. You've got to clean with nature's fresh, just like me.
F to the R to the ESH. Fresh. F to the R to the ESH. Fresh.
Here's a little story about my neighbor Mabel. Her house was not fresh.
It was like living in a stable.
Her old products didn't work, they were a waste of money. The nasty chemicals made her place smell funny. Flash forward to the present, and things are looking brighter. Her surfaces sparkle, and her whites are much whiter. Ha! Alright, Mabel, let's break down what these products don't got. Are there phosphates?
No way.
Is there ammonia? Hydrochloric acid and formaldehyde?
No way. No way.
Xenoestrogen, linear alpha sodium sulfate, sodium hypochlorite?
There's none of those either.
Cool. Grandbaby coming over, I can hear her at the door. Nature's fresh, works so well, she can eat off the floor. No chemicals or phosphates to make a body ill. It's all made from plants, so we can chill.
F to the
These
R to
products
the
are made
ESH.
with bamboo and citrus fruit and coconuts and other good stuff like that. You're gonna want these fresh products.
By now it's clear these products are the best on the market. For safe, effective cleaning, Nature's Fresh hits the target. Too bad cleaning products cause you to frown. Get some Nature's Fresh and clean up your town.
F to the R to the ESH. Fresh.
You're gonna want these fresh products.
F to the R to the ESH. Fresh. F to the R to the ESH. Fresh.
You're gonna want these fresh products.
F to the R to the ESH. Fresh. F to the R to the ESH. Fresh.
You're gonna want these fresh products.
F to the R to the ESH.